Jasmy continues to hold above significant key areas of support on the daily chart above the 0.01644 and also within a significant key area of support which ranges between the 0.0238 and the 0.01879. And on today's video I will be discussing the reasons as to why I'm still expecting higher prices here on the Jasmy chart on the long term. So make sure that you stick around because I will also be sharing my short-term price prediction analysis. And for those of you that might be interested in taking a trade on Jasmy, you can check out BINANCE where you can claim up to 5,000 USDT in rewards and also claim that USDT in sign-up rewards. And I have a link down in the description box. Getting back to the charts, you can see that in the bear market we had been stuck within this consolidation range, and within the consolidation range we also managed to get a bear market low before we started a very aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 0.0449 in a move that I'm terming as a negative count 1 to the upside. And having peaked in that negative count 1, whatever I was expecting next was a bit of a pullback in a negative count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And this is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the bear market low to the high of that negative count 1 in a move that gave me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies between the 0.02393 and the 0.01894, which is the area over here. And this is an area that we have not fully maximized, which means there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and in the next coming weeks or maybe months we can start an aggressive bounce to the upside in these larger negative count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that negative count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.08374. And if that is the case and we fully manage to hit our minimum target areas in that negative count 3, based on the current prices that we have at the moment, that will be a perfect 7x to the upside. Then we can expect a pullback in a wave 4, then continue gearing up even higher in a negative count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the long term. And jumping to the 1 hour chart to now share my short-term price prediction analysis, still basing it on the negative structures, you can see that on the 5th of August we saw a massive breakdown move in a move that gave us a low below the 0.01579, and afterwards we started a very nice bounce to the upside where we first peaked in this negative count 1. Then we saw a bit of a breakdown move in a negative count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And since there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, I'm expecting a bounce in a negative count 3, then expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up even higher in that negative count 5. And for us to continue seeing higher prices, we first need to see a break above these significant highs that we have here on the charts. And the moment we manage to break above these significant highs, then that will be enough confirmation that we are now starting to see a break of structure, and we can get impulsive in that negative count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that negative count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.0318, then expect a pullback in a negative count 4, and then continue gearing up even higher in that negative count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the short term. Once you manage to break above these highs, we can easily see a bounce back above the 0.03177. But if by any chance we get any sudden pullbacks, then this blue target area over here needs to continue holding. And as long as we continue holding within this area, I will still expect that bounce to the upside in an Elliott wave count 3. So that is the price action that I'm expecting on the Jasmy chart on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.